This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Alternator Replacement. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Raise the hood upwards. Loosen the cable bolt on the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. For the removal of the main accessory drive belt, place a wrench on the main drive belt tensioner pulley center bolt and rotate the tensioner clockwise to release the tension on the belt. Slip the belt off of an accessible pulley, then slowly release the tensioner to its stopping point. Remove the drive belt from the various accessory pulleys, noting how it's routed. Disconnect the electrical connector from the alternator. Pull back the protective cover from the alternator's battery terminal, remove the nut, and disconnect the battery cable from the alternator. Remove the alternator mounting bolts. Remove the alternator. Install the alternator onto the bracket. Screw in the mounting bolts and tighten them securely. Connect the electrical connections to the alternator. Tighten the battery cable bolt at the alternator securely. Then position the protective cover over the terminal. For the installation of the main accessory drive belt, loosely route the main drive belt into the various pulleys. Rotate the tensioner to allow the belt to be slipped onto the remaining pulley. Then release the tensioner to apply tension to the belt. Make sure the belt is centered into all the pulley grooves. Install the air intake duct. Engage the intake duct retaining grommets, then connect the mass airflow sensor electrical connector. Tighten the hose clamps at each side securely. The routing of the drive belt on this model should be as pictured. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the bolts securely.